Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2022 Cadillac XT5 Luxury. This vehicle comes in a rosewood metallic exterior paint, 4-door sport utility, seats 5 in a jet black interior color. This vehicle carries a 2-liter turbocharged engine with a 9-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drivetrain. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now, you have your power side mirror and power window controls, Bose sound system with your storage compartment and trunk opener. Door panels made up of a black leather with silver inserts. Both front seats are powered in a jet black leather. You have lumbar support, headrest adjustments, black leather wrap steering wheel. You have cruise control with voice recognition, gap adjustment, lane keeping assist, and heated steering. Menu selection, volume control on the right. This vehicle is push to start. Foot down on the brake. Analog. Sorry about that. Analog front dash with a digital centerpiece. Touchscreen infotainment system. You have your backup camera. Touchscreen climate control. You have your AM FM radio station with Sirius XM. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Pair your phone up with Bluetooth. Underneath you have your manual climate control with touchscreen climate control as well. Heated front seats. Extra storage compartment. Electronic gear shifter with forward and backward movements. Push that forward for your 2 cup holders. Give it another push, slides it back. Drive mode selector for your Tour, Sport, all-wheel drive, and all-road. Traction control, volume and menu selector. Black leather wrap center console. Storage compartments with a removable top, extra USB port. Rear view mirror. Up top you have a sunglass compartment. Universal garage opener with overhead lighting. Sun visor with an illuminated vanity mirror for the driver's side as well as for the passenger side. You also have a handle grip for the passenger side. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 20-inch Cadillac chrome rims on all-season tires, color-matched side mirror with an integrated turn signal, chrome keyless entry handle grip, capless gas tank, chrome badging along the vehicle, dual exhaust with rear parking sensors, backup camera, and the rear wiper blade, powered trunk. You have your illuminated sill, all-weather rubber mats for the rear and back of the 60/40 split rear seats. Full set of carpeted mats as well. You have your power button up the top right. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your black leather door panel with silver inserts. Speaker and storage space down at the bottom. Rear seats are in the jet black leather. You have your foldable rear seats. Middle seat folds down, gives you 2 cup holders and an armrest. Extra storage space, USB ports and air vents at the rear of the center console. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Overhead lighting and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side, you have the shark fin antenna just at the rear. Chrome trim around the windows and along the doors. This vehicle comes with command start. You have corner turning headlamps with LED headlights, fog lights with the galvanized front grille and monochrome badging. Front parking sensors. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.